Today I'm going to show you guys a kid-friendly hairstyle. I know some of you guys saw the title and it said that it was Poodle Puffs, and you're probably thinking, what is Poodle Puffs? Now, this is a name that I made up, but I found out on TikTok that it is not called Poodle Puff, it is called Bubble Braids. But I like the name Poodle Puffs better. So I just finished washing my daughter's hair. Her birthday is on Saturday, so she wanted a cute look, and I wanted a cute look for her too, but she also don't like sitting down for long, so I knew I had to make something that was fast. So I'm going to start off with the product As I Am leave-in conditioner. It's the classic one that I purchased from my local Walmart. I did just finish washing her hair, so I am rubbing leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in some coconut oil just to seal that in. And then I use the Jam Extreme Hold. It is the one with the orange top on it. I love that one. I feel like it works the best, and it gives her the most slick line. Like, you can see her scalp. Side note, I also use this to braid their hair, because if you're like me, I cannot braid, but for some reason when I use Jam, it be looking all slick. Like, I know exactly what I'm doing, so I always use it. So if you're an amateur braider like me, I definitely recommend the Jam orange top. It's called Extreme Hold. Now for the rubber bands. Some people actually like to dip their rubber bands in oil before putting it on the hair to prevent like breakage of the hair. I personally do not do that. I do not see any breakage when I do use rubber bands. When I take them out, I honestly just cut it with some hair scissors, and that's it. That's all. But you could definitely dip your rubber bands in oil if you would like to be extra careful, but I personally just do not do that. Now, one thing with this style, you are going to use a lot of rubber bands, especially if your child's hair is way longer than what my child hair is. Do you see how they like crunch up into little poodle puffs? Like, they look like little puffies. Like, I just love them, and she loves them. This hairstyle is literally like a win for everybody. Your child doesn't have to sit in the chair for long, and you don't have to do nothing complicated but add a couple rubber bands every so often to make little poodle puffs. Like, it's not difficult. It doesn't hurt their head, so especially if you have a tender-headed child, this is not gonna hurt them one bit. Maybe parting might hurt them, but other than that, like, this is honestly a win for win hairstyle, especially since spring is coming. Kids want to be outside. They do not want to be sitting in a chair for hours. My whole goal for all my videos is to get straight to the point, which is why this video is literally only 3 minutes long. I'm not gonna hold you guys for 10 minutes to repeat and to show you every step over and over and over and over again. You could just rewatch it if that's the case. That's why I like to keep my videos short and to the point. And I really wanted this video to be aesthetic, but my daughter was just over the camera being on her head and on her face that she didn't really let me record the last results. But I do get a couple in for you guys, and then I do add in the TikTok video that went crazy at the end for the final results. But as always, if you like this video or my channel in general, please subscribe. I do go live once a week, so we could definitely interact and become an actual community, and you guys get to let me know what you would like to see on my page, what you would like to see less of and more of. But until next time, I hope you enjoy these results, and I hope you enjoy this on your kids one day.